Greetings, health enthusiasts and culinary explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're venturing into the realm of barley water, a nutritious drink loaded with fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals. It's a powerful ally for weight loss, digestion, and immunity. Ready to dive into this refreshing, health-boosting recipe? Stick around. Before we begin, gather all the necessary ingredients. First and foremost, we need barley, a grain packed with fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals. Then, of course, fresh water to brew our barley. Optional flavorings include a squeeze of lemon for a zesty twist, a dollop of honey for natural sweetness, or a sprig of mint for a refreshing finish. Each of these ingredients not only adds taste but also contributes to the overall health benefits of our morning drink. Now that we have all our ingredients, we can move on to the preparation. Now, on to the exciting part, the preparation of our nutritious barley water. Starting off, you need to thoroughly rinse the barley. This step is crucial because it helps remove any impurities and excess starch from the grains. So rinse it under cold running water until the water runs clear, a good indication that your barley is clean and ready to be boiled. Next comes the boiling process. You'll want to add your clean barley to a pot of water. The water should be about 3 times the amount of barley you have. This ratio ensures that the barley has enough room to move around and release its nutrients effectively. Once you've got your barley and water in the pot, bring it to a boil. Now, here's where the magic happens. When your water starts to boil, reduce the heat to a simmer and let the barley cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. You're looking for a soft but still slightly chewy consistency in the barley. This simmering process is key in extracting the maximum nutritional value from the barley. It's during this time that the barley releases its high fiber content, essential vitamins and minerals into the water, transforming it into a powerhouse of nutrition. Remember to stir occasionally and keep an eye on your simmering barley. You don't want it to boil over or stick to the bottom of your pot. Patience is the key here. Good things take time, and this nutritious barley water is no exception. Once your barley has cooked and your water is infused with all that barley goodness, strain the water into a jug or glass. Discard the barley, as you've extracted all the beneficial nutrients during the simmering process. And there you have it, your homemade barley water is ready to be enjoyed. It's a nutritious drink that not only supports weight loss, but also boosts digestion, immunity, and metabolism, especially during the hot summer months. So sit back, relax, and take a sip of health and wellness. Cheers to a healthier you. Now that our barley water is ready, let's discuss how to best consume it. The ideal time to enjoy this nutritious drink is first thing in the morning. Why, you ask? Well, sipping on barley water in the morning can jumpstart your metabolism for the day, helping you burn more calories and promoting weight loss. Regular consumption of barley water offers a host of health benefits. It's high in fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. In addition to aiding weight loss, it also improves digestion. That's right, it can help alleviate digestive issues, promoting a healthy gut. But that's not all. This humble drink also boosts immunity. Packed with antioxidants, it can help your body fight off harmful free radicals, keeping diseases at bay. So not only can you shed those extra pounds, but you can also stay healthier overall. And the best part? You can enjoy barley water hot or cold, depending on your preference. On hot summer days, a chilled glass of barley water can be incredibly refreshing. On cooler days, a warm mug can be just as satisfying. So there you have it. Incorporate barley water into your daily routine to kickstart your day and reap all these amazing benefits. Remember, consistency is key. Enjoy this drink daily for optimal benefits. So there you have it, a simple, nutritious, and refreshing barley water recipe to kickstart your summer mornings. We've journeyed through the selection of ingredients, the step-by-step preparation, and even delved into the myriad of health benefits this humble drink offers. This barley water, or pani, as it is known in Hindi, is not just a thirst quencher, but a high-fiber, vitamin-rich elixir that can support your weight loss goals, boost digestion, immunity, and metabolism. It's a wonderful addition to your daily routine, especially in the heat of summer. We appreciate your time and thank you for joining us in this exploration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay hydrated.